Oh my gosh, hello. I'm back. Hi guys. Wow, I have missed you so much. It feels so good to sit here and just catch up. So, as you can see on my left, I have some packages that I've been accumulating since I've been gone, and I figured what better way than to come back, open some PR packages, give you a little life update, where I've been, why I've been MIA, and all of the juicy chisme. Okay, so grab your cafecito and let's do a little bit of unboxing and a little chisme. All right, we're gonna jump right into it. I hope my mic is picking up my voice just fine. I'm just gonna open things at random and let's see what we got, okay? So this is from Revolution Beauty. I think this is their new cushion foundation. Obviously, it's in the package. Yep, new cushion foundation. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try it. I hope the shades they didn't send me are too light because, girl, as you can see, Mama is dark. She is in her tan era, okay? Look at this packaging, super cute. They sent 3 shades. Ooh, 10 warm. Okay, that might be perfect. Perfect. 10 warm, medium, neutral, as well as medium, neutral, warm. So you might be wondering, Karina, where the heck have you been? Girl, not home. I got home last Wednesday, June 10th. So it will almost be a week on Wednesday. So I've been gone for a long time. If you watched my last videos, you probably heard me talk about how me and my husband were going to have a little vacation. We went to the Bahamas for about 3 or 4 days, and it was such an amazing experience. Like, oh my gosh, I am still dreaming about the Bahamas. It was fun. Ooh, so we have a little YSL package here. This one kind of opened itself. Here we have the Kiss Shaper Sculpting Lip Liner in 102. I'm curious to swatch this. That's really pretty. YSL 102. It's a little light for me, but I can use it as like an actual lip color. So this is what they sent over. Essentially, they're all lippy products, and I'm excited. I love these. What are these called? The Love Shine candy ones. They're really good. I have one in my makeup bag that I still have not put away. So yeah, we went to the Bahamas for a few days, maybe. So we went on a Monday. I think it was May 18th. And then we flew back home May 21st. Literally got home, did laundry, repacked, got some rest, flew out the next day, May the 22nd, to Utah. And if you've been watching me, you know that that is my hometown. Utah is where I grew up. Ooh, we got some Maybelline mascara. This is the new Lash Sensational Body Mascara. Look at that. Cute. I think we have 2 colors, brown and black. So once we got to Utah, we got a little bit of rest, and then I had to get ready for my sister's like last wedding dinner with the girls, and it was so fun. Look at what I got. I actually bought this, the Lumi bronzer, the lipstick. This is such a good creamy bronzer. They sent over 2 shades. I've already done a video on this, but we will still try it out together in a new video, which I'm hoping to be consistent again because I definitely miss filming, and I hate that I left so long without posting anything, but I just didn't make time to pre-film videos, you know, and that's just the truth of it. Got a little bit of skincare products from L'Oreal. They actually send me a ton of stuff. And this is one of my favorite little like serums. It's like a 2-in-1 serum. It's the H Perfect Age Defying La Duo Serum. It's the Skin Renewing Complex plus vitamins B3 and C. This is totally going to be a backup because I'm running pretty low of the one that I currently have. I technically flew, oh my gosh, my voice. I technically flew out to Utah for my sister's wedding, which was May 23rd, which happened to be my husband's birthday. So we got to celebrate him and we got to celebrate her. Oh my gosh, I love that they keep sending me these because as a makeup artist, I use these all the time. So thank you, L'Oreal. I really needed all of this, so I really appreciate it. Next up, we got ColourPop, and I don't know what brand this is, but I'm hoping from ColourPop we get some of their new blushes that I've been seeing on my For You page. So let's see what we got. Ooh, we have a new eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, I love ColourPop's eyeshadow palettes. This is the Peach Jelly eyeshadow palette. I didn't even know they had this collection. I love anything coral. You guys know that. It's like my favorite blush shade. Oh, this is so pretty. I cannot wait. Then they sent over the Fresh Kiss Peach Mochi Lip Balm, as well as their Weightless Liquid Blush in Perfect Peach. I will say, I'm still so tired. I'm trying to recover from the time change and just like my sleep schedule. The kids' sleep schedule is all over the place. We're trying to get back into like our regular mode, but it's so hard because in Utah we would go to sleep at like 12, 1 in the morning, which here we're an hour ahead. So you can only imagine what that did to my brain. So from Morphe, we have a cute little must-have mattes package. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Tailored to wear on repeat, new 6-pan eye defining all matte edits in cool, warm, and rosy tones. That is so cute. Look at this. So adorable. Oh. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. I love me some Morphe brushes. This is perfect for like nose contour. Oh, I'm so excited. So thank you so much, Morphe. I cannot wait to play with all of this. If you've been watching me for years, you know that going to Utah is almost like a yearly thing because we have all of our family, obviously my younger sister's down there, and my in-laws are there as well. And so we try to go there at least once a year, and this time I just think I really overdid myself and I spent too much time down there. So much as I love my family, it was just too much being away from home. I miss my dogs. Obviously, I miss my husband. I miss my bed. I miss just everything from my home. Shout out to Pure Cosmetics for sending me a cute little PR. I haven't tried anything from their brand in so long, but I'm so excited to like reintroduce all these brands that I haven't used in years. This was for their Prime Day beauty edits, which I totally missed because I just got back home. But either way, I'm excited to try. So yeah, needless to say that I was homesick. Lincoln was homesick. Lonnie was a little bit homesick too, but I tried to make the best of it. They are both at the age where they can have a little bit more fun doing things with either friends or like their cousins, and that's what I try to do. We have a little bit of SPF from Pixi. They sent over the Perfect Summer Glow Starts Here, it says. They sent over a self-tan serum and a Gradual Glow self-tan serum. So I'm excited to try these. So yeah, it was definitely hard just being away from home. Let me know if you guys can relate to that. I was just so done the last week. I was like, I'm tired. My skin was breaking out so much because the weather in Utah is very dry. And my skin was just really going through it. My hair was dry. My skin was dry. My lips were cracked. Like the grays in my hair started coming back. Hence why I have freshly dyed hair. Just dyed it last night. I was a mess. Okay, look at all the hair dye that I just pretty much got on myself. We have one more package from L'Oreal. They sent over some mascara. They sent over their Blurfection powder. A little too dark for me, but I'll keep it because you never know if I may need it for a client. And then we have a little lip liner. We have another setting spray. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was actually a little routine from Shelby Ann. That is so cool. Congrats, girly. So everything that you saw here were picks from Shelby Ann. So her setting spray, the powder, the foundation, which because of her, I picked it up again. And then her favorite mascara. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Let's move on to What the Fun. Oh, it's from Essence. Oh, okay, I hope this is... They have some new stuff that I've been dying to try. They sent over some mascaras and some lip glosses. I believe these are all new. Oh, this pink one looks really pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to try that baby doll pink. Thank you so much, Essence. Okay, let's keep opening packages. We have 4 more left. And that is really the update. That is where I've been. I've just been gone. And years before or in the past, I would have normally pre-filmed a ton of videos and just had them ready to go for you guys. But this year, it's just... I didn't make it a priority, and I tried not to make myself feel too bad about it. I was this close to coming back home because I did feel guilty of not having any content posted, but I was like, you know what? I haven't taken a break like this in years, and I've been on YouTube for over 10 years, so I think I deserved it. My favorite packages to get are from Josie Moran. Oh my gosh, I love her stuff. Look at this huge thing of body wash. I go through these like water. Let's see, she sent a oil body butter and the scent Topless Tangerine. This is probably my favorite scent. And then the matching body spray slash mist. Oh my gosh, her products are so good, and if you haven't tried anything, they're so worth it. Oh yay! So Maybelline sent over their filter foundation, and it looks like they might have sent me a little bit of deeper shades as well as their lifter concealer. I actually own both of these, and I might throw this in a giveaway for you guys because I think actually now looking at them, the shades might be the same as the ones that I have. So maybe we can do a little giveaway. I cannot tell you the excitement I feel anytime I get any PR package from Rare Beauty, because I don't know how I even got on their PR list, because I don't think I've ever had anybody reach out to me. I could be wrong, but we have Rare Beauty, which is one of like, oh my gosh, my favorite brands right now. Oh my gosh, they sent me their foundation. I am so happy because I've been eyeing this foundation. I've been wanting to get it, but I've just been telling myself, you don't need it. You don't need it. Well, now I got it. Oh my goodness. Look at Desi Perkins serving. Oh, she's such a queen. I love her. They sent over the True to Myself Natural Matte Foundation, the Soft Touch Makeup Blending Sponge, a liquid blush, their flexible lifting gel, their mascara, and then a tinted lip oil. I actually went through a whole tube of this. Not this shade, but one of these. And I finished the mini volumizing mascara because it was really, really good. Last but not least is this huge box. Sometimes, or most of the times, it'll say the names of the company, like it'll say Maybelline, L'Oreal, whatever. But sometimes when they're coming from like a third party, I guess, it doesn't say. So it's literally like a Christmas for me because I just have to wait and see what brand it's from, and that's when the excitement really kicks in. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is going to be Morphe because of the packaging. Yeah. Woo. This is a big one. Oh, that is so pretty. I've said this before, but I am loving this new rebrand from Morphe. Whatever they're doing, they knew exactly what to do, okay? So, they sent brushes. So these are the Custom Blends Brush Collection. Energize your routine with our signature brushes, now in limited edition coffee toned sets. Listen, I am taking a break from coffee because, girl, the time that I left to the Bahamas to being in Utah, I gained 10 pounds, okay? I'm close to sitting at 140. I'm like 136 right now, which for my height and my weight, or my height and my builds, I'm too heavy. I should be at around 120, 130. So I'm working really hard to lower my weight. Gosh, these are beautiful. And I'm trying to cut back on coffee. Not cut it out, but cut back because, you know, just the sugar. It's too much sugar. And I'm not getting any younger. I need to really take care of what I put in my body. So I've been trying to drink water, and I need to be active so I can lose the weight and feel better and not feel so bloated. Look at how pretty these brushes are. Are you kidding me? Hello? Oh, I wish I would have had this before Utah because I would have thrown all my brushes in here. And it comes with more little sponge and then more brushes. Oh my gosh, Morphe. So they sent over this collection, which is more of a taupey brown, and then 4 of these, which is a lighter brown. Oh, these feel and look so luxe. Like, wow. Obsessed. Oh my gosh, and look at this. They sent over a cute little coffee mug. You can either use that as a coffee mug or you can use it to hold your brushes. Honestly, I might use this on the days that I do drink coffee. That is everything. That is all the packages that I got. I am so relieved that I opened everything, because just seeing a stack of boxes was driving me crazy. But I really wanted to sit down, just give you guys a little life update on where I've been, why I've been MIA, and if I'm coming back. I had a few messages on my Instagram. They're like, Karina, are you coming back? Karina, are you quitting? I'm not quitting. I will be back, and I'm hoping I will be consistent for the rest of the year. Okay, so I love you guys. I miss you. Let me know if you're going to be picking up anything. And if we want to do a full face testing out brand new drugstore makeup, because 90% of this is drugstore, let me know. I love you guys so much. Enjoy your cafecito, and I'll see you guys in my next video.